Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite curly headed light skin, and we back at it again with another video. And today we're going to be doing my morning routine for my skin and how I get it to be so glowy and toned. So boom, we're going to start with putting on this hair tie because baby, we have to protect the edges. So boom, 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 put that on. And first things first, I always wash my face in the morning after I brush my teeth, of course. And I use Biore Deep Pore Charcoal Face Cleanser. It is fantastic. Obviously, you can tell because the bottle's almost empty. I love this stuff so much. So I'm going to go ahead and go do that. Be right back. So boom, we are back. My face is nice and clean, feels amazing. I'm gonna take this little towel and pat dry my face. Always pat dry your face after you finish washing it, never wipe. Okay, so the second step I use my Pacifica Crystal Power Hydro Mist. It is for your skin and your soul, and it says plus get glowing. So boom, it's for all skin types. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I just extend my arm back a little bit and spritz enough until I just feel like it's just enough. And once I finish that, I just fan dry. Oh my goodness, I still have soap under my neck. Fan dry until it's just completely absorbed into my skin. Okay, so the next thing I do, I'm going to grab these cotton rounds and then grab my Thayers facial toner, Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula in Rose Petal. I'm just going to pour a little bit of it on the cotton round and just wipe it all over my face. It's such a great toner. I've definitely seen a lot of difference in my skin since I first started using it, and I just highly recommend it to everyone. So yeah, after I finished doing that, look at that cotton round. I really use this facial toner not to only tone my face, but I also use it to get any excess dirt that I did not get off my face when I washed it. And as you can see, there was a little residue, but not that bad. Okay, so on to the next. The next thing I use is my Vitamin C Beauty Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Complex. It's also a toning skin serum. It balances all skin types, brightens complexion, and minimizes dark spots. I really like using this. I recently just got it, but it is amazing. So I apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. After applying, I then just rub it into my skin. And it says on the back that just rub it into your skin until fully absorbed. And that's exactly what it does. It literally absorbs into your skin. So just rub it in. And it smells amazing. Oh my goodness. I usually rub it all around my face and make sure to get under my eyes, and I also rub it on my neck because of course I want my neck and my face to be the same color. So boom, let's go ahead and move on to the next. Next thing I use is my Gem Serum Radiant Drops, Watermelon Quartz, and Lemongrass. It's all skin types. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free as well. And this product is also by Pacifica. And this just helps give my natural glow a little bit more oomph, you know. So I apply this product also on my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead because those are the four main places of highlights. Those are your key points on your face. So I just go ahead and just rub it in. Make sure this also absorbs into my skin, bringing me that luminous look. Okay, so after we apply that, next I go in with my Acure Radically Rejuvenating Eye Cream, and I take a Q-tip and just apply a little amount under my eye. I take a Q-tip first to really just get into the creases and crevices of my eye, and then I go ahead and finish up and just rub the rest of the excess that is left on my eye, and do the same with the same side. Okay, so next but not least, I use my Pacifica Clearing Wand Secret Weapon Serpantine Crystal Facial Roller. This serpentine crystal is said to have the most powerful energy that helps clear blockages of stagnation in any of your chakras. And you use this wand to activate your skin. The carved design makes this a more active massage for facial tension. So this really just helps balance your chakras, gets your chakras ready for the day, so you'll be, at peace with your skin. Okay, so first I'll be starting with my forehead, rolling it upwards from the middle of my forehead, and then I will work my way towards my eye area, rolling it outwards towards my ears, and then work my way to my jawlines, cheeks, and neck. All right, and to finish up my routine, I use Dove's Macadamia and Rice Milk Whipped Body Cream. This stuff is amazing. It is very lightweight. It does not leave any type of sticky residue afterwards. It leaves my skin soft, baby smooth, and so hydrated. It is really hard for me to find a really good moisturizer, so Dove, you did your thing with this. So I'm just going to stick my finger, my little nail in there, and scoop out a little bit, put it into the palm of my hand, rub them together really good, and just apply it to my face because, a small amount goes a very, very long way. All right, and once my face is all nice and smooth and lathered up, that is going to finish my skin routine. So yes, ma'am. We are glowing, we are smooth, and we are ready for the day. Let's go ahead and take off this scarf, show off the baby hairs. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. That will be in the description box below. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.